In this video, I'm going to show you how to have multiple charts on ThinkorSwim. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Charts tab up top here, and then at the very top right of your chart, you will see this rectangle. Click on it, and right now only one is selected, and this is where you can basically adjust your grid. So if you want to have multiple charts, let's say you want to have like 4, you could just go ahead and kind of mark 4 of them like this, or like this, like this. You could do whatever you want. Click on it, and it's going to pop up the options to actually have 4 charts. Okay, now you could also do, of course, like a lot of them over here, but then it's going to be a bit harder to see in case your monitor is not huge. So I'm going to just have 4 for now, and then you can just go ahead and enter the specific symbol, whatever you want. So if I go in and type in Apple over here, you can just go ahead and type in whatever you want, and then basically have multiple charts at once on your screen here in ThinkorSwim. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.